Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on the Web Tech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view two documents side by side in Word. So let's start the video guys. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here I'm on my Word and I have another Word document. Okay, so I will show you how you can make it side by side. Okay, there is a two method that you can use as per your requirement. So first method, select your first Microsoft Word file and click on minimize. Okay, now just click on that ribbon and just click and hold, and you can minimize size from this slides. Just click on the side line and just drag it, okay, like this. Now open the another Word file. Okay, so this is my another Word file. It's same, you need to just minimize the size, click on the ribbons and keep at the side like this. Okay, and you can minimize the maximum size like this. Okay, so now you can able to edit or read the content on both file like this. Okay, the second method is open any Word documents and just keep the cursor on this minimize or maximize icon. Don't click over there, just keep the cursor on it. Okay, like this. Now you can see this view of, you can see there is a tab view. Okay, you can make 4 tab view, 3 tab view, or 4 tab view like this. So if you want side by side, just select that one. Now you can see both what document has been viewed side by side. You can see like this. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.